Hello and welcome to this little tour of my Eileen Hull Tiny Wallet Folio. This is the first one. You can see that the inside I've got these tiny little folios. This is a flap with tea-dyed ribbon, which is big enough to hold some small envelopes. It's worth looking through your stash to find out what dies you have that might fit. This is, I think, a Spellbinders one. And then this is a small book that fits inside, which I just made with tea-dyed papers. And then it's just the same idea again, but I've stuck it down to make a little envelope. And there's a little flap there for tickets. And for this one, it's made in the same way, but I've not used cardstock. I've used the mount board, which makes it a thicker and heavier folio. And again, little book, and I've got little pockets inside there for little tags. And finally, this little one is exactly the same, made with cardstock. And again, the flap in the middle with another little pocket and a small book. Thank you for joining me today.